Hi everybody. Well, here we are. Here is the 400 subscriber raffle and giveaway. So first, little preference. I've picked three very distinct items here because I have a wide variety of people who subscribe with, different hobbies. So I've got the war gamers, I've got the people who enjoy the larger scale figures, and then those of you who enjoy building models. Before I talk about the three items, there's two rules, okay? First rule is you have to be a subscriber prior to this video posting, okay? If you subscribe after this, you're not eligible. Second rule is I have to be able to verify you are a subscriber. If your subscription is hidden, you are not eligible. Okay? So if you want to be a part of this, please unhide your subscription and you are eligible. If it's hidden, you're not eligible. So I will remove you from the chance to win anything. Okay? So, without further ado, let's just talk about this. So the first item, Lot A, is 90 American War of Independence figures. And they're all painted. Okay? So those of you who enjoy some wargaming, want to get into the period, or want to add to what you already have, here you go. These are all not all, they're Continental troops, okay, and militia. All right. The first two big groups are, I believe, Perry Miniatures. I can't remember, plastics. And then these back here are metal figures, but I can't remember the manufacturer for them. Okay. So there's that. So 90 American War of Independence figures, Lot A. Lot B, right, is an Amati nobleman bust. It's a Spanish nobleman. It's a 1/10 scale bust. This would be really good for anybody who wants to try this for the first time. I know several of you have posted comments saying that you would like to try doing something like this. This would be a really good bust to attempt because it's very easy to put together, first of all, and B, it also doesn't have a whole lot of minute detail. Okay, everything is very large, very general. Okay, here's the you can see the back side of it. Okay, the box is open, just so you're aware. But all the pieces and everything are in the box, okay? And this is basically untouched, okay? So it's brand new. So this is Lot B. Lot C is the 1932 Imperial. Okay, this is the 1/25th scale kit from MPC. All right. And it's the Gangbusters Chrysler Imperial 8 with rumble seats. Also comes with a motorcycle, 2 complete figures, plus all the gangster arsenal. And obviously, shrink wrap still, so it is brand new. So if you're interested in that, this is Lot C. Okay, so just to recap. Oops, sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Apologize. Lot A, 90 American War of Independence figures. Lot B is the nobleman bust. Lot C is the 32 Imperial. Again, just to recap the rules. 1, you have to be a subscriber prior to this video. 2, your subscription has to be unhidden. I have to verify that you're a subscriber. If not, you are not eligible. Okay? And I will do the drawing on Thursday the 17th, probably in the evening. So that'll be nighttime here on the West Coast. All right, and I will ship these items anywhere in the world, okay? So if you're interested, those of you in England or in Australia or whatever, New Zealand, I will ship these to you, okay? So I know I have some subscribers out there around the world. Again, I want to thank everybody who has been a long-term subscriber. The fact that I'm doing this channel and I never thought I'd ever get one person. The fact that I have over 400 now is amazing. So thank you everybody for subscribing, sticking with me, and enjoying the content that I'm putting up here. It really means a lot to me. So again, put in the comments something like Victor, I'm in for lot A, B, or C. Okay, you can only pick one lot. Okay. All right. I will talk to you all real soon, and I will do this drawing next Thursday on the 17th. Bye.